Hey, what's up everybody? Justin Seeley here. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today, we're inside of Adobe Illustrator and I'm gonna be showing you how to draw a Christmas tree. It might look complex, but it's actually really simple once you know a couple of secrets. So let's start off in my document over here. You can see that the main things that you're gonna need are the shape of the tree. You can do this any way you want. You can draw it with the pencil tool, the pen tool, whatever you need. Just make like a zigzaggy pattern, something similar to this. Then you wanna draw two circles, both with the same gradient, light green to dark green. And then once you have those two circles created, what you're gonna do is come over here and grab the blend tool. I'm gonna double click on it so you can see what my settings look like. So I've got specified steps and 500 set here. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit OK. And then I'm just gonna use the blend tool to blend from one to the other. So you just click one to one and it creates this little gradient path that you see here. Then we're just gonna take this and select it along with the tree shape. Once we have both of these selected, we're gonna go to Object, we're gonna go down to Blend, and we're gonna choose Replace Spine. And immediately you're gonna start to see that the tree is starting to take shape. Pretty cool, right? Then we're gonna go up to the Effect menu, we're gonna go down to Distort and Transform, and we're gonna choose Roughen. And inside of the Roughen dialog box, move this over so you can see both at the same time, we're going to increase the size to about 60. And then we're gonna increase the detail to about 50. And once we do that, bingo, we've got a tree. So we'll hit OK, and that's pretty much it. You can also take this little star and put it right there on the top. And then of course, like I had in the original, you can add ornaments and lights, and I'll do a separate tutorial about how to do the ornaments and lights. But that's how you can draw a Christmas tree in just a few short and easy steps inside of Adobe Illustrator. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content because I'll be posting here a lot more often. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next one.